What math course is right for you? Math 111, College Algebra.
So Math 111 is called College Algebra, and that's for students that they just need a math class for their AA, or nursing students sometimes need it, and it's just basically if you need one class and move on with your math, being done with your math is 111. Also, some business students need 111, and then after this they need the business calculus.
Why did you take Math 111?
I decided to take College Algebra 111, not by choice. My degree requires that I meet the College Algebra requirement, and so I've worked my way from 71 to 81 to 91 to now 111.
I took Math 111 because it's a prerequisite for business calculus, which is a class that's needed for my business degree.
I took this math class because my advisor suggested that I get the basics of algebra and get really strong in that part of math, because the next step for me would be going into business calculus, and it will just really prepare me for all the other math courses I want to take. And it's better to start, even though it's like a lower level in the grand scheme of things, it's better to get the basics and get really strong in those before I move on.
I teach math starting from 91 all the way to 153 so far. So depending on each quarter, a mixture of a little bit lower algebra to upper calculus.
What advice would you give to students taking Math 111?
Get ahead on homework. Do it 2 to 3 days ahead. As soon as it's released, get your hands on it, and then make your way to the tutor lab as well. And that way, if you ever stumble or you're stuck, instead of letting it sit and last minute you don't get any help, you're there with a tutor in order for them to assist you through that difficult situation.
Advice I would give to students would be to utilize Degree Audit, the tool that Highline has on its website. It's really helpful in helping you to plan your future, like knowing what classes you need to take, and it really helped me. And so I'm on track to, I'm a Running Start student, and I'm on track to getting my Associates of Business by the time I graduate. So.
The advice I'd give to students taking this course is to definitely not shy away from the Math Resource Center. Highline and the students that work there, they put a lot of time and effort into making it work for everyone that wants to participate.
I would say get connected with resources on campus. I luckily had the opportunity to do a TRIO math foundation course, which it provided an assistant course to my Math 91, which was like pivotal in my math success. And then also I would say get to know your professor, really spend time at the beginning of the quarter going into their office hours.
If you have questions, come to office hours. I try to help you however I can. It's really being willing to learn. If you're here to learn, you can be successful, and everybody can do it if they know how to. And don't let that not knowing, that lack of knowledge stop you. Come to me, come to your advisors, and just ask, what should I do to be successful? And we will definitely help you with that.